Final match of this tournament, that is between Friends Kapu versus DGS Navin 11s. The high voltage tournament, the winner of this match will be directly qualified for the final of this prestigious United Kapu trophy, and will be the part of runners as well as winners, and both the teams, every situation will be crucial in the situation.
Aditya, what is your call? Who is going to go to the finals? Will it be Friends Kapu or DJS Navin 11?
Actually, Mr. Cleveland, we could not predict itself in the firstly because both the teams are playing hard for their victory. Even though they're the batsmen of DJS Navin 11, the icon player Imran Koteshwara, if the bowlers of Kapu Friends are eagerly they are waiting to take a wicket of Imran Koteshwara. If that will be happen, there will be a chances for Friends Kapu to take on their victory side, but in the bowling area, the bowler is still lagging behind to get a line in his bowling performance.
Exactly, that is the pressure of semi-final. That is the pressure of semi-final because the big man, the big gun, Imran Koteshwara, all the way from Qatar, he is standing in front of him. The bowler, 2 balls was bowled is in a wide. The one has gone for a 4 and another is a wide as well. Let's see what the third ball is going to be. That is a no ball. And
the boundary has been come. This is what Imran Koteshwara, that identity, that iconic figure can confuse any bowlers because he is a man, he's a specialist for switch it.
Exactly. I have seen Imran Koteshwara in early stages in Koteshwara playing for Amshu as well as a couple of teams as well. He is the man, once he's in the ground, he can turn any type of the matches. He is named as the king of switch hit. What do you say in that?
Yes, really, exactly, absolutely, Mr. Cleveland. He is a man in the form, Mr. Imran Koteshwara. When he is in the striker end region, every player, every bowler for the side of any team it might be any team, the bowler will have some panicness in his face. The bowler will have some confusion. What type of the bowling variation I need?
Okay, thank you.
What type of bowling variation, what type of line length I need to ball for Imran Koteshwara. Still the bowler, Mr. Mushahir, the icon for the side of
ಸಂತೋಷ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ ಶಾರ್ಜಾ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕರ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಪೀಠೆ ಕೆಚ್ಚದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಣ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣೋಣ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಡೋಣ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಶಾರ್ಜಾ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕರ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಪೀಠೆ ಕೆಚ್ಚದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಣ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣೋಣ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಡೋಣ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ
Presenting Chakravarti Kundapura. Now he is a man, we could see the iconic figure of DJS Navin 11. And what match is going over here? Easy singles are coming. This is what Sannu Subair must do. Rotation of strike is enough if Sannu Subair can take a singles, because man in the form, Mr. Imran Koteshwara, when he's the man, the striker in region, Sannu Subair, this is your responsibility. You need to rotate a strike by giving the strike to Imran Koteshwara. He will get some runs in the scorecard, but you are too the icon player for the team JEJS. Navin 11 with that, what a shot from him. Fine leg, we could not, deep fine leg will not be seen over there, but here Navid. The Ronaldo performance we could see from Navid over here. The football practices have been seen, but great effort from the fielder Navid over here. The jersey number 07 is not making any mistake. What a start for DJS Navin 11 with the 3 bowlers and already done with that 15 on the board with not losing any wickets. Still 3 more deliveries in progress of over number 1. What atmosphere in Sharjah Cricket Stadium. The slight breeze of wind we could see in the ground. We are in the semi-final of United Kapu Trophy 2025 Season 6. Now Shahir Koteshwara. Now the dismissal. This is Mushahir after lagging behind to get the line and length. Now wonderful piece of bowling performance.
Well, Aditya, Imran Koteshwara is walking back, but you can see Sannu is still there, the dancing player of Kerala. Sannu.
Yes, sir, Mr. Cleveland, you have told, I have seen the last league matches he have played. The batting style of Sannu Subair, he was confusing the bowling line and length, the line and length of the bowler. Last over we have seen of Mr. Vaibhav, who was bowled.
Vaibhav,
Oh yes, Vaibhav has bowled. He has been literally, he has confused the bowler what type of the line and length he needs to bowl. This is what Sannu Subair, he is a magician, he is a confusion, making confusion for the bowler, what type of variation he need to bowl. You have already witnessed, you were with me, what you can tell about Sannu Subair now.
Sannu Subair is a good sportsman, I would say. I have seen him playing in lots of tournaments in Kerala as well as in Ajman as well. He is a dancing player, I would say. He hits the ball so hard it goes out of the park as well. Not to forget, at the strike at present is Rohil Preet, the left-handed batsman. As you see, 2 brothers in Indian team. You can see 2 brothers playing for DJS Navin.
Yes, it is actually, I obey your words. 2 brothers in Indian team. Yes, it is, you are telling Yusuf Pathan and Irfan Pathan, but in DJS Navin 11 there is
Rohil Preet and Rohan Keith.
Yes, exactly what they are doing. They are playing now the responsibility in the hands of Mr. Rowell. The first delivery, but yes, it is a wide signal by Afsu over there. The ball was slight away towards outside region. Wide declared by the umpire. Still Mushair is bowling. The extra runs are giving in the form of wide with that 15 on the board with losing 1 valuable wicket. Still 2 more deliveries has been progress. What a start for DJS 11. What a start for the team. After getting some boundaries and some sixes by Imran Koteshwara, he has given a positive start for this day. And here the review has gone for the 3rd umpire. Mr. Cleveland is the 3rd umpire for this first semi-final match, and who is going to give the decision in the official text in the screen.
It's a fair delivery. It's a fair delivery by the 3rd umpire.
It's a fair delivery given by the umpire. Guys, please, after the third umpire decision, you need to be in your fielding. Don't question the umpires because you are the experienced players. You are qualified players. Please respect the cricket. Please play like a gentleman. This is what required in
ತೋರಿಸೋಣ. ಶಾರ್ಜಾ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕರ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೆಚ್ಚರು. ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಣ, ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣೋಣ, ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಡೋಣ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಶಾರ್ಜಾ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕರ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್
I feel
ಕೆಚ್ಚರು.
friends Kapu has the spirit of cricket and they respect the decision of the umpire. Yes, that's true. Sajid Kambagudi and his team are having a very good sportsmanship. Same goes with Navin DJS as well.
Yes, moving on to center. Thank you for Kapu friends by obeying the decision given by the umpires. 15 on the board with losing 1 wicket. Still 2 more deliveries in progress. Once again, the icon Mr. Mushair is having the ball in his hand. And now, yes it is a fair delivery given by him, and over has been done. First over of the combination of over number 1 scorecard has jumped towards the 15 on the board with losing 1 valuable wicket. After giving some boundaries and sixes, the comeback is good. The Mushair, the comeback is wonderful. And first 3 deliveries he was lagging behind to get Lyle length. And but in this situation, after the completion, wonderful piece of comeback by the bowler. And umpires, please fasten the match. Don't allow the players to talk too much in the ground. I request umpires, it's a request from you. The previous league match was taken 1 over 20 minutes. This is not allowed. 15 minutes time will be given for each team. Umpires, please note. Umpires, please note. The players, please note. 15 minutes of each time will be given for both the teams. Otherwise, one fielder will be inside the 30-yard circle. Please obey the rules and regulation of organizers of Kapu United Kapu Trophy 2025.
Well, what a fantastic game of cricket is happening. The first semi-final, Friends Kapu versus DJS Navin 11. Started in the morning with little bit of breeze of the rain. A bit late started, but we are a bit of delay of almost an hour. Single run has been taken. After taking a single run, the score moves up to 16 for the loss of 1 wicket. The 2 batters, Rowell and Sanu. Well, Aditya, we can see the pressure of semi-final with the face of players. Each and every ball there's a discussion. Each and every ball after the ball, how to play, how much target we have to give to the against team, what will be a strategy. No, what do you want to say about that?
Absolutely, Cleveland. See the body language of the batsmen of DJs Navin 11. They are playing a sensible cricket because they know that they are having some amount of run in their scorecard. But now the Rowell is been dealing with singles and doubles because they is not taking a charge of getting the maximums and having some runs outside, because now we have seen a previous ball, Sannu Zubair has been played. A sensible cricketing stroke he has been played. And once again, roll! Now 33! He's been not there. Some slippery surface we could see in the outfield in the ground. But if it is what? They are playing a semi-final. Both the team is having a hunger of getting into the finals of United Kapu Trophy.
Yes, you're right. Both the team are very, very hungry for the trophy because the trophy is gold.
Yes, absolutely. The gold-plated trophy. Who else will be withdraw from getting the victory by seeing the trophy? I'm in the dugout. What happened? Okay, no problem, no issue. Continue.
Trying for a switch-hit batter, couldn't cut it properly. One run has been taken. The score is tickling up to 20 for the loss of 1 wicket. 3 balls done so far.
Yes, absolutely. 3 ball has been already done. And Mr. Scorer, Mr. Mustafa is in the scoring department helping me to give a proper score of this match as per the schedule. And now once again, Sannu Zubair. Now Kapu friends. I've already told the first over they have some runs. But this bowler, the bowler Mr. Sadiq. Now he slightly changes the prediction of the match. Now, good 2 more deliveries is required for a team. Friends Kapu, but the wrong judgment from Sannu Zubair over there. He thought whether the variation of balls will be away towards offside area, but the bowler we have witnessed top number of bowling department, but now the umpire Mr. Mainu.
There's a slight breeze in the ground. I feel like the play, our volunteers, our team management are getting a bit cold. Irshad Bhai Hamdan, Sunil, Suhail and Shafi Bhai are joining their hands, folding their hands. That's called as a wide.
With that, Sannu Zubair now in a striker end region. Wide given by the umpire. Minor good decision by taking the time. Now Sadiq, now Sannu Zubair goes for a loft, but unfortunately the bowling department. Sadiq the man, the comeback bowler for the team Friends Kapoor. What a delivery, what an over comes towards an end. With that, only 7 runs he has been given. Over number 2 has been completed. The completion of over number 2, the scorecard jumps to 22 on the board with losing 1 valuable wicket. The match is building up pressure. The match is going high voltage. What will happen in any situation? We could not predict anything. The bowlers are lightly come back in the bowling department. The bowling department of Friends Kapoor. What a score. Cleveland, what's the situation now? What is going on?
Yes, the situation is nail-biting over here. Both the teams has to win as well. Never to forget, Aditya, to conduct this type of tournaments, we have to appreciate our sponsors. Yorker EFX is our title sponsor. For the first time, Yorker has been with us. And also platinum sponsor, we have Vidwan and Varaharupa. Always a backbone for United Kapoor, Vidwan and Varaharupa. Thank you so much for being a backbone and supporting this season 6 United Kapoor trophy.
Yes, we are witnessing now after the dismissal of Imran Koteshwara. Now Sannu Zubair the man. Sannu Zubair, the jersey number 33. Where is your stylish cricketing stroke, Sannu Zubair? All your fans are eagerly waiting to see your cricketing stroke, Sannu Zubair. Now responsibly playing in the striker end region with his partner Rohel Preet. And now the bowler Mr. Rizwan Kodi. The first delivery is in progress now. Sannu Zubair, sensible cricketing stroke. Now he is now feeling that there is no fielder in the inside the 20-yard circle. But now he has managed only the second single run. Yes, it is. I don't know what are the strategies by the two partners over there, Rohel Preet as well as Sannu Zubair are the two.
Sannu Zubair yet to wear his dancing shoes. We have not seen him dancing yet, but I'm sure in another couple of balls he will surely wear his dancing shoes and hit the huge and humongous 6. The reason Rohel didn't want to go for a second, he is going to attempt for a huge and humongous 6. What are you saying?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Even Rohel Preet, he is nevertheless, he is also a hard hitter. He is also a hard hitter, captain for the team. DJ, yes, now in 11. Rohel Preet, show your some good cricketing strokes. Your fan followers are still waiting in the dugout to see your good cricketing stroke from your bat. Still, the bowler, second time. Goes Rohel over there. the low full toss delivery. There Lowell misses, not having the connection of the bat and ball. Here the keeper goes there. Some tips have given to him what type of line and length he need to ball in the present situation. The pressure is building up. Here, the first semi-final. DJS in one side, the another side, Kapu France.
Kapu Friends players, please sit in your dugout. Please sit in your dugout. Naveen, please come back of the line, at least 1 meter.
And he goes, Rowell Prey, the finds a fielder in third man area. What a wonderful piece of comeback. See, this is what required. This is what required. The bowling department, what a changes in the bowling department. What a changes. What a comeback by the bowling departments of Friends Kapu over there. The first over, the running flow, when I see the running flow of Kapu, this one, DJS 911, they were in the peak of getting runs. But the 2 over, extraordinary 2 overs of Friends Kapu. Now still, match is not yet over. The bowler, Mr. Rizwan Kode. Now fourth time. Now to Sanna Zubair. Zubair, jersey number 33. Zubair is struggling. Well, his back talk. We need a Zubair. You are the killer of the ball. Please kill the ball. No, he is playing a sensible knock over here. What type of strategy he is using? That is not a sad strategy. The bowling department of Kapu Friends, it is a rocket delivery they are bowling.
Well, we have to appreciate Rizwan Kode because he has given away only 3 runs in his 4 deliveries. I would say in the early stages of Rizwan Kode, he used to play for Nafis, the team, one of the famous team in Dubai. He used to play for Tonse, he used to play for Shannon Star, the experienced player, experienced bowler, the hard hitter, I would say, the season ball player, Rizwan Kode, now playing for Kapu Friends.
Yes, absolutely. Now, needs no doubt at all. When we see the body language of that bowler, Rizwan, what a bowling performance we have seen. What a bowling performance. Literally, he is an experienced player of cricket. Now, Rowell goes over there. No man area. The ball is traveling towards wide area, but I think so. The fielder is not making any mistake, but couple of runs have been added to the scorecard. With that couple of runs, a slight the positive variations of fluctuation we could see in the scorecard. With that, the scorecard reaches to 27 on the board with losing 1 valuable wicket. The last 1 more delivery is in progress. Antima Murane over in Antima 1 years at the Chaltialida. What a match. This match is witnessing to be high voltage because this is semi-final. Semi-final in the every stages of semi-final will be the crucial. And now in the batting department, Rohel Preet. Here we go, the water bowling performance. I will see whether they're running hard for take a second run. But Zubair, Sannu Zubair, having slight cramp, I think so, in his leg. He's finding some pain, but still he is a cricketer. He is a player. Any injuries when the cricketer is in the hunger of getting the victory, any pains, any injury will be in the side. And with that, over number 3 has been completed. Scorecard jumps to 28 on the board with the losing 1 wicket. What a start. What a start. And I request umpires, please don't allow the players to talk too much because we are running short of time.
Yes, exactly. We are short of time. Kapu, friends, please hurry up. Aditya, did you notice? Without bowling any ball, DJS has scored 11 runs. But now it's 18 balls completed and the score is 28. That means the difference of 17. They have given away only 17 runs in the 18 deliveries, but 11 runs was with extra.
This is what
delivery.
This is what I witnessed. I have already told now in my mouth, in the microphone, the bowling department of seriously, Kapu friends are extraordinary. You have already told about the ball at the previous over has been ball. He is having a lot of experience. He has played for a lot of teams in UAE, and still by seeing his bowling performance, we have witnessed that he is an experienced campaigner.
Exactly, but the reason, other reason is that because all the matches with the day, now it's under the lights, automatically the match frequency will come down, the match will get slower and slower, the coordination with the batsmen, the running between the wickets has to be very quicker so that the runs will more tickle and tickle in the scoreboard. At present, the score is 28 for the loss of 1 wicket. Rowell Preet has faced 8 deliveries by taking 7 runs, and Sanu 7 deliveries, taken only 5 runs. The new bowler. Noman. What a shot. That is Rowell, ladies and gentlemen. That is Rowell Preet with you. He heard me, what I said. He took it serious. And now you can see 6 runs has been added to the scorecard.
Yeah, absolutely. It is very tough. It is very tough to play under the lights, Mr. Cleveland. Absolutely. I obey your words. But when they knows Rowell Preet has heard that you have put forward the word from your microphone that the players, the batsman only scored 17 runs from their bat. But Rowell Preet is telling in his bat, no, I am there. I am in the batting department. When I am here, I will never leave DJS Navin 11 to score less target to the opposition team.
Exactly, that he has already started to ring the bell saying, now in 11 DJS, I am here, why to fear?
Yes, still the match is not at end. Noman Hussain. Now still you can come back with your bowling performance. Second ball of the state, 21. Jersey number, and the ball is traveling over there. Yeah. Now the big whale under the net. The big fish has been fallen to the net. Rowell Preet. The man was in the form. The man has hit a 6, is walking back to pavilion. Yes, start of the match. Please, players, fast on the match. Show your performance. 5 legal deliveries in the innings number 1 is in progress. Yes, Vaibhav. Vaibhav now in the batting department. Vaibhav, one of the experienced campaigner for the team, Navin 11. Vaibhav the man. Second delivery. What a delivery, top edge, but we could not find the fielder over there. Third man, 5 leg department coming inside, fielding well over there. And Vaibhav, the man in the non-striker region. Now some talk between the two batsmen. So Vaibhav as well, Sanu Zubair, the man having some slight statistical talks. With that, scorecard jumps towards 35 on the board with losing 2 wickets. And Sanu Zubair, we'll see what will happen. And once again, Numan. Sanu goes over there, but what an island delivery over there, directly to the hands of the keeper. But they are reviving for the wide. And over to you, Cleveland, third umpire.
Yes, sir, the third umpire is ready to see what's happening in the... Yes, it's a fair delivery.
Yes, a fair delivery from the bowler over there. What a line and delivery. What a comeback by the bowler of Kapu, friends. With that, 35 on the board. Still two more deliveries in progress. And no! Now the body language. Now the body language. And no! Now he goes! Sando Zubair joining the party! What a shot! The last delivery. See that. Sando. And he goes over there. We'll see what will happen with that. Yes, it is. Completion of over number 4. Over number 4 has become the 41 on the board with losing 42 will be the target for the team. Kapu.
ಶಾರ್ಜಾ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕರ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಪೀಕೆ ಕೆಚ್ಚದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಣ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣೋಣ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಡೋಣ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಶಾರ್ಜಾ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕರ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಪೀಕೆ ಕೆಚ್ಚದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಣ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣೋಣ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಡೋಣ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ ಶಾರ್ಜಾ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕರ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಪೀಕೆ ಕೆಚ್ಚದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಣ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣೋಣ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಡೋಣ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಶಾರ್ಜಾ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕರ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಪೀಕೆ ಕೆಚ್ಚದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಣ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣೋಣ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಡೋಣ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ ಶಾರ್ಜಾ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಪೈರ್ಗಾಗಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮನವಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ.
Yes, just wait. Yes, this is the no ball.
ನೋ ಬಾಲ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂತ ಸೂಚನೆ. ಫ್ರೀ ಹಿಟ್. ಇದೀಗ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟದ ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾನ ರೂಪದ ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ರೀ ಹಿಟ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂತ ಸೂಚನೆ ನಿರ್ಣಾಯಕರಿಂದ. ಅದ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಹಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾದ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೀಸುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ದಾಂಡಿಗೂ ಚೆಂಡಿಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆಗಳು ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚೆಂಡು ನೆಟ್ಟ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಗೂಟ ರಕ್ಷಕನ ಬೊಗಸೆ ಹಸ್ತವನ್ನ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂಕಿಅಂಶ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯನ್ನ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೇಜಾನ್ ಟು ಶೇಜಾನ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಂದರತೆ ಹೊಡೆತ. ಚೆಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕವರ್ಸ್ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಷಡ್ಕ. 6 ಓಟಗಳು ದಾಖಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಶೇಜಾನ್ ಅವರ ದಾಂಡಿನ ಮುಖಿಯನ್ನು ಷಡ್ಕ ಸಿಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ ಕೂಡ ಏರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 7 ಓಟಗಳು. ಶಾರ್ಜಾ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದತೆಯ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಹಬ್ಬ. ಇದು ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಕಪ್ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ 2025. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಮುಂದುವರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸುಂದರತೆಯ ಎಸೆತ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸುಂದರತೆಯ ಓಟಗಳ ಪೂರೈಕೆ ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕೊಂಚ ಮಟ್ಟಿನ ಗಲಿ ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ 1 ಓಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೀಮಿತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 1 ಓಟದ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ 8.
पहली 4 गेंद यहाँ पर समाप्त हो चुकी है. कुल मिलाकर रन संख्या पर 8 रन, 42 रन की यहाँ पर चेस करते जा रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स. कापू वर्सेस नवीन 11 के बीच दोनों टीम यहाँ पर पहला सेमीफाइनल खेल रहे हैं. यहाँ पर यूनाइटेड कापू ने आयोजित की इस श्रृंखला किया पहला सेमीफाइनल. डीजे नवीन 11 वर्सेस फ्रेंड्स कप के बीच अब तक 4 गेंद समाप्त हो चुकी है. कुल मिलाकर रन संख्या पर 8. इस बार अच्छी गेंद और बल्ले से कोई संपर्क नहीं है. इसी के साथ यहां पर डॉट बॉल. 5 गेंद समाप्त होने के बाद कुल मिलाकर रन संख्या पर 8 रन. सादिक बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं सेकेंड सेमीफाइनल के लिए. यहां पर टॉस होने के बाद खडील फ्रेंड्स ने टॉस जीतकर पहले गेंदबाजी करने के लिए निर्णय किया. इस ओवर की आखिरी गेंद लेकर तैयार सेजान अपनी ओवर के दूसरी गेंद पर छक्के खाने के बाद अब तक अच्छी गेंदबाजी किया. इस बार फिर से लगातार दूसरी डॉट बॉल. इसी के साथ पहला ओवर की समाप्त. कुल मिलाकर रन संख्या पर 8 बिना विकेट नुकसान पर. पहली ओवर समाप्त हो चुकी है. कुल मिलाकर रन संख्या पर 8. यहां पर दूसरी ओवर की गेंदबाजी करने के लिए विनय विनय अपनी ओवर की पहली गेंद लेकर तैयार है। इस बार स्ट्राइकर पर बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए सजान एकिया पिछले उनकी यहाँ पर खाता खोल चुकी थी चक्की के साथ। एक खूबसूरत चक्की के साथ उन्होंने बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए शुरुआत की थी। जीतने के लिए 42 रन की टारगेट थी। 4 ओवर के मुकाबला 24 गेंद थी। पहला ओवर समाप्त होने के बाद कुल मिलाकर रन संख्या पर केवल 8 रन। जीतने के लिए अभी भी यहाँ पर 34 रन की दूर है बची हुई है 18 गेंद पर। 34 रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम 18 डिलीवरी। इस ओवर की पहली गेंद, दूसरी ओवर की इस बार अच्छी गेंद रक्षणात्मक तरीके से खेली। यहाँ पर 1 रन, दूसरे रन के लिए पलट रहा। यहाँ पर बहुत ही बड़ी रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट। यहाँ पर 2 रन आसान तरीके से यहाँ पर पूरे किया। सजान और सादिक की जोड़ी यहाँ पर मैदान पर पहला विकेट की साझेदारी। कुल मिलाकर रन संख्या पर 10 रन। अभी भी जीतने के लिए 32 रन की दूर है 17 गेंद पर। इस ओवर की दूसरी गेंद लेकर तैयार है एक और बार फिर से विनय। यूनाइटेड कप आयोजित कर रही है इस श्रृंखला क्या पहला सेमीफाइनल मुकाबला दोनों टीम के बीच है। यहाँ पर फ्रेंड्स कापू और नवीन 11 के बीच। इस दूसरे ओवर के दूसरी गेंद इस बार हल्का तरीके से पुश किया। यहाँ पर शॉट स्क्वायर लेगी दशा पर ऑफर फील्डर तैनात है। तब तक दोनों बल्लेबाज ने दौड़कर 1 रन पूरी की 1 रन की मदद से कुल मिलाकर रन संख्या पर 11। जीतने के लिए 31 रन की दूर है। 31 रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम 16 डिलीवरी। इस ओवर किया तीसरी गेंद लेकर तैयार। राइट हैंड लेफ्ट हैंड कॉम्बिनेशन सादिक और सजान एक है। दोनों फ्रेंड्स कापू के लिए खेल रहे हैं। इस ओवर किया तीसरी गेंद लेकर तैयार। एक और बार फिर से विनय। इस मैच के लिए यहाँ पर मैन अंपायर के रूप से यहाँ पर अस्फान और स्क्वायर लेग अंपायर के रूप से यहाँ पर मैनाज। यम स्पोर्ट्स यहाँ पर लवी के रूप से और स्कोर कार्डर के रूप से यहाँ पर मुस्तफा, कोर कमेंडेटर के रूप से यहाँ पर विघ्नेश अपने ओवर की तीसरी गेंद लेकर तैयार। विनय इस बार लेफ्ट हैंडर बल्लेबाजी के लिए सादी के लिए कि यहाँ पर 1 रन मिलेगी। इस 1 रन की मदद से कुल मिलाकर रन संख्या पर 12 रन। जीतने के लिए 30 रन की दूरी बची हुई है 15 गेंद पर। 15 to go and 30 to get. 15 ಎಸೆತಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 30 ರನ್ನಿನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ನವೀನ್ 11 ತಂಡಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಥಮ सेमीफाइनल पंद्याकूट। अपनी ओवर की चौथी गेंद लेकर तैयार। एक और बार फिर से इस ओवर की 4 गेंदें यहां पर समाप्त हो चुकी है। कुल मिलाकर इन के ऊपर 14 रन बिना विकेट नुकसान पर। पहला विकेट की साझेदारी फ्रेंड्स कापू किया सादिक और सजान एके ने। अब तक यहां पर 14 रन बढ़ाए केवल 10 गेंद पर। इस ओवर की 5वीं बार इस बार उल्टा बल्ले से खेलने के लिए जरूर कोशिश किया। गेंद और बल्ले से कोई संपर्क नहीं, सीधे विकेट कीपर के स्थानों पर। इसी के साथ यहां पर डॉट बॉल। कुल मिलाकर इन के पर 14 रन बिना विकेट नुकसान पर। जीतने के लिए बची हुई है 13 गेंद पर 28 रन की जरूरत है। स्ट्राइकर पर बल्लेबाजी करते इस बार सजान एके। चक्की के साथ शुरुआत की, उसके बाद यहां पर हल्का तरीके से पुश किया, एक्स्ट्रा कवर की दिशा पर वहां पर फील्ड किया, तब तक एक ही रन मिलेगी इस एक रन की मदद से ओवर की समाप्त। एंड ऑफ द ओवर नंबर 2, स्कोर मूव्स टू 15, लॉस ऑफ 0 विकेट। 2 ओवर की खेल समाप्त हो चुकी है, कुल मिलाकर जिनके पर 15 रन बिना विकेट नुकसान पर। पहला सेमीफाइनल मुकाबला यूनाइटेड कापू ने आयोजित किया प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 6 के पहला सेमीफाइनल डीजे नवीन 11 वर्सेस फ्रेंड्स कापू के बीच। दूसरे सेमीफाइनल के लिए यहां पर खटील फ्रेंड्स वर्सेस अल सितारा टीम के बीच। टॉस जीत चुकी है यहां पर खटील फ्रेंड्स ने। टॉस जीतने के बाद पहली गेंदबाजी करने के लिए निर्णय किया। यहां पर इस ओवर की 2 ओवर खेल समाप्त होने के बाद कमेंटेटर बॉक्स पर थोड़ी सी परिवर्तन कर रहे हैं यहां पर कन्नड़ा कमेंटेटर विघ्नेश।
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಕರೀಂ ಅವರ. ಇದೀಗ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟವನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪು ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ DJS ನವೀನ್ 11 ಆಟಗಾರರು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೀಸುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ದಾಟಿಗೂ ಚೆಂಡಿಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆಗಳು ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಒಂದು ಓಟವನ್ನ ಪೂರೈಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ ಕೂಡ ಏರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ 16. ಹನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಸೆತ 26 ಓಟದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅದೃಷ್ಟದ ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕೂಡ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಉಳಿತಾರಂತ ಕಾದ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. 11 ಸೆತ 26 ಓಟದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ.
Sheikh Muzaffar Sirali, President, AIMS. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing this occasion and coming here. And that could be a run out. And yes, that's a run out of Shezan. But Shezan, that's the left-handed batsman. Sadiq is walking back to the pavilion. The Well, let me remind you, ladies and gentlemen, the main title sponsor for United Cup Trophy is Yorker FX, who has been the title sponsor for this tournament, and also the platinum sponsor. Vidwan and Varaharupa are the platinum sponsors for this tournament.
ಸುಂದರತೆಯ ಹೊಡೆತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಓಟಗಳ ಪೂರೈಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಓಟಗಳ ಪೂರೈಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ ಕೂಡ 17, 17. 9 ಎಸೆತ 25 ಓಟದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ.
Zahir, I request the players of Friends Cup who just stay 1 meter behind the line. Zahir, please inform the players over there. Sahil, please. Shakir Kombagudde, please step back. Sajid Kombagudde, I repeat again, at least a meter back. Thank you.
ಬೀಸುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ವೈಡ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಲವಾದ ಮನವಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಮನವಿಗೆ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಲಭಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡಾಟ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂಕಿಅಂಶ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಫು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪುವಿಗೆ ಕಠಿಣ ಸಂದರ್ಭ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೋವರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದಂತ ಚೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಬೀಸುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಒಂದೋಟಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದೋಟದ ಮುಖೇನವಾಗಿ ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ 18. ಕೊನೆಯಸ್ತ ಬಾಕಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಈ ಓವರ್ನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ. 7 ಎಸೆತ 24 ಓಟದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. 7 balls 24 runs required.
The next second semi-final will be between Al Sitara Friends versus Katil Friends. Katil Friends won the toss and elected to field first. I request the players of Katil be ready in the fence so that we can start the match as soon as possible.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂಡ ಬೀಸುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ದಾಂಡಿಗೂ ಚೆಂಡಿಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆಗಳು ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಗ್ ಬೈ ಮುಖೇನವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಓಟವನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಓಟದ ಮುಖೇನವಾಗಿ ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ 19. 6 ಎಸೆತ 23 ಓಟದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಸರಾಸರಿ ಬಹುದೂರವಾಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಂಕಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಪವಾಡ ನಡೆದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪು ಕೂಡ ವಿಜಯವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಬದಲಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕ್ಲೀವ್ ಅವರೇ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್. Well, let me remind you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, United Kapu Trophy is happening in Saja Stadium. It's not an easy task to conduct a tournament. 5 friends, 5 pillars of Kapu. Shakir Vitla, Mohammad Shafi, Faisal Kapu, Ashik, Mohammad Ashik, and one and only Adi Al Mullah. He's not here, he's in a different country, but his support is always with us. And also, this tournament is taken care of by Hawkeye officials.
Bowler name please.
Ramiz the bowler. Please hurry up, officials. Please note the time as well. We are running short of time. Imran Koteshwara, please hurry up. Thank you.
ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟವನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ಣಾಯಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೂಡ 2 ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟಗಳು ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಂಕಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇದೆ.
6:23.
ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವೀಪ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಡವಟ್ಟನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಾಂಡಿಗೂ ಚೆಂಡಿಗೂ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರನ್ ಔಟ್. ಈ ಮೂಲಕ 2ನೇ ಹುದ್ದರಿ ನೆಲ ಕುರುಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪುನ ಪರವಾಗಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂಡ 5 ಎಸೆತ 23 ಓಟದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ.
Jersey number 07 is none other than Naved Kapu. One of the finest player of Kapu, wearing a red cap, jersey number 07 of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. 07 is Cristiano Ronaldo. He is 07. Now you can see Mohammad Naveed, jersey number 07, playing for Kapu Friends.
ಹೌದು, ಅದೇ ಜೆರ್ಸಿ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಇದೀಗ ಪವಾಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ ಎನ್ನುವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮೂಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 5 ಎಸೆತ 23 ಓಟದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ.
ಅದೇ ಜೆರ್ಸಿ ನಂಬರ್ 07 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬೀಳಬಹುದೇ? ಕಾದು ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ನ ನಂತರ.
ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸುಂದರ ಹೊಡೆತ, ಚೆಂಡು ಕೆಲ ಕಾಲ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೈ ಚೆಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ DJS ಆಟಗಾರರು.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ ಕೇವಲ ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂಡ ಬೀಸುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವಿರೋಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟದ ಕೈ ಚೆಲ್ಲುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪುವಿನ ಆಟಗಾರ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ.
ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಾವಿದ್ನವರ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗಬಹುದೇ? ನಾವಿದ್ನವರು ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಿಗಬಹುದೇ?
ಎಸ್
ಓಹೋ
ವಾವ್
ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೇವ್ ದೇರ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವೀದ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್.
ಕ್ಲೀವರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ನವೀನ್ ಅವರ ಆಟ ನೋಡಬಹುದು.
ಹೌದು, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ಈ ಜರ್ಸಿ ನಂಬರ್ 07 7 ರನ್ ಹೊಡಬಹುದೇ?
2 ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ಗಳು ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ
ಓಹೋ ಎಂತ ಎಂತ ಗಾಲಿ, ಆದರೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು Let's add on 100 dirhams from myself as well. Let's make it 200 dirhams for Naveed if he hits 2 sixes. Yes, let's keep the offer for the coming tournament, which is coming very shortly as well. So next match is coming between Friends Katil versus Al Sitara Friends.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು DJS ನ ಆಟಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸಿದಂತ ಮೊದಲ ತಂಡ DJS. ಇದೀಗ ಎರಡನೆಯ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ಗಾಗಿ ಕಟೀಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ ಸಿತಾರಾ ಉಡುಪಿ ಆಟಗಾರರನ್ನ ಅಂಕಣ ಬಲ ಪ್ರವೇಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
What a beautiful sportsmanship for the game of Friends Kapu. What a lineup. They are going to cheer up for their players. They are going to cheer up for their against team as well. They have won the hearts. They lost the match, but they won the hearts of the audience. They won the hearts of each and every person here. They have been playing a fantastic cricket. They never lost any league matches, but they lost the semi-final. Hard luck, Friends Kapu. Well, you can see a roaring sound from Al Sitara Friends. Well, yes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Al Sitara with you. Al Sitara is going to bat first. The slogan of Al Sitara is ಗೆಲುವೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ, ಗುರಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಮನೆಗೆ, ಮನೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಅಬುಧಾಬಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಅಬುಧಾಬಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಪುನವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲೀವ್ ಅವರೇ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗೆಲುವೇ ಅವರ ಗುರಿ.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಪ್ ಬರಬಹುದು
ಬರಬಹುದು.
ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಸಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಎರಡನೇ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಕಟೀಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ ಸಿತಾರಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ. ಒಂದೆಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
Katil Friends ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So we are going to shut down our commentary for a while.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಸಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ 5 ತಾರೆಗಳು 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮಿಂಚ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆದಿಲ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಫೈಸಲ್ ಕಾಪು, ಶಾಫಿ, ಶಾಕಿರ್ ವಿಟ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಆಶಿಕ್ ಅವರು.
Well, DJS, please vacate your dugout so that Al Sitara and Katil Friends can take over it. DJS, please, and also Friends Kapu, please vacate from your dugout. Take all your cricketing kits and please vacate from there.